Hello everyone and welcome in Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to activate the renderer mode in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. To use the DirectX 12 or 11 in this game, you have to at first open the settings by using the O button on your keyboard or press here on options. Now get into the video tab and move to advanced video settings. In these options you can see in here the renderer mode. You can choose from DirectX 12 and DirectX 11, depends on your preferences, but for this game and also most of the games this is recommended to use Direct 12 to generate graphics. But if you have some issues with performance or stability while using Direct 12, then you should switch to Direct 11 and check if it's working better or not. If not, then you should look for other settings that makes your game runs worse than on other settings. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!